Hello everyone, I have joined this Alina Wellness Center on 28th of February in this year only. I have came through the Google only about the place, and when I have come here I was so much confused that whether I should have to come to take these therapies and everything or not. Then I have decided to take these, and I am very much satisfied that I have come across this place. And within a 15, I guess I have already taken 10 sessions only, and within 10 sessions I have lost 4.2 almost, and with a very good diet. Everything was so good about this place, and Ashwina has told me about my diet and everything. She's taking care of everything personally. Whenever I want to talk to her about my diet, she is patiently, she listens to me, and everything is explained to me about the pros and cons about everything. And that I have a PCOD problem, and I was so much confused that whether I should be able to lose that much of weight or not. But I'm lucky enough that I have come here and I have lost, at least I'm very happy and extremely happy, and I would love that if people will come, and if anybody wants to lose the weight, and as well as not only the weight you will lose, you will gain your confidence also, and I think you must try once at least.
Here I am with Priyanka. She is my very sincere client and lost 17 plus kgs and completely transformed her body, right Priyanka?
Yeah.
Despite of PCOD.
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
Let's hear with Priyanka.
Yeah, I have came to the Google only about the center, and after seeing so many good ratings about the center, I have inquired here, and after meeting Ashwina, I have got some very positive vibes that definitely I will start with here only, and I have been motivated so much that I have started from Feb of 2020, and within the time of 3 months only I have lost almost more than 15 kg. It's almost 17 to 19 around, and everything, whatever it is, the therapies, the diets and everything is so perfectly done and so neatly done that here is the result. And I'm so happy that I have come here, and I have trusted her a lot, and definitely she has also shows the interest on me like that she can change my body. And earlier I was a bit skeptical that whether I can be able to change or not, but with so much information and with so much effort by Ashwina, I have got it, and my body is back to shape, and I am getting so many compliments from my friends and families, and I'm so happy, and I would recommend you to come here at least once in a lifetime. You must have come and visit her. You will definitely got some positive vibrations from this center, and definitely after talking to Ashwina, you will not able to say no to anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much Priyanka. Here I am with Priyanka. She has lost 20 kgs and 61 inches from all over body despite of PCOD, right Priyanka?
Yeah, absolutely right, Ashwina. I was not aware that I will lose so much, but just because of your efforts only, I have got to see this result in my body. And after having 2 kids, I was not even, imagination is far beyond that I will reach to this stage. But when I came to know about the Ashwina through the Google only, I have searched certain centers, and I have seen so many good reviews about it. I have come here to meet her, and after meeting her, I have got so many positive vibes that yes, I can transform my body into the good shape. But I was actually not aware that I will lose so much. I was only sure about that at max I will do that 10 kgs, but with the efforts of Ashwina and the staff, I have got with the even in the lockdown period, she has regularly sending me the dieting and everything. I have consulted her a lot, and that's the reason that I have lost a lot. And I would recommend everyone that once in a while in your lifetime you must come. If you want to really transform your body into a good structure, I have got so many compliments from the friends also that nobody can say that I am having 2 kids right now, and people are like, you still look like a college and school type girls. And absolutely I am very stunned that I have come here, and I have got such a good response from Ashwina, and she really mentor me in a very good manner. That's very nice of her.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. It's a big achievement for you and for us also. Thank you so much.